Hey folks, Technivorous here, and today we're going to do something a little bit different in our playlist, and we're going to go over a few places where you can get free models to print on your printer, as well as one quick and easy way to make very simple models that might get you interested in some of the other model making software, which I'll have a separate video on tomorrow. So let's jump right into checking this out. And our first website for getting free models is probably the most popular. They have a ton of stuff. You can search for pretty much anything. This is Thingiverse with an I, so Thingi verse.com. So here you can get a large array, pretty much anything you can think of. Nerf guns, catapult toys. I mean, this is just the top page. These are the things that are most recent and mostly highly downloaded. So you can explore and check out different things. You can go to Discover, or we can just search, say, you decided you wanted to print that Groot statue that everybody was printing back in the day when they first got their 3D printers. You can just type in Groot, and you're going to get a whole array of options. So from here, you'll go in, you'll click on one of them. I think I've printed pretty much every single one of these, actually, other than a couple. So you click on one, you hit download all files, then you just unpack the files once they're downloaded. Pretty simple, really nice. Probably my first go-to to check, because if Thingiverse doesn't have it, you can sometimes find it on other sites. But yeah, no, this is definitely my go-to for free models. You can find almost anything. The next one is going to be thangs.com. Now this one has some models that are paid for models, and you can also post your own models here to sell them to other 3D printers. But they do have a lot of free models as well. So let's go ahead and see some of the new uploads. Some Flexi Bunnies for Easter. It's usually pretty topical around here. Batman logos, LED lamps. That's pretty cool. Vaporeon. Just all sorts of cool stuff. Some of these are free, although if I click in here, let's go in here. Let's see this. And it says I can download it. So that one is free. If it doesn't say download, it'll tell you your options for paying for it. And the nice thing about this is you can also convert it to other files. Now the FBX, OBJ, and STEP files are great if you want to take it into a CAD program, which we'll be talking about in a minute here. Let's move on to the next site. The next one is Printables.com. This one also has a ton of really good items, not quite nearly as many as Thingiverse, but still quite the repository of printable items. No pun intended there. Let's see, 3D models, all this cool stuff, man. You know, and you can go in and choose, okay, say, let's go and look in the art and design and check out some of the sculptures. Okay, it's Mr. Bean, that's awesome. I actually really like this. Vito Corleone, that's cool too. So yeah, as you can see, there's tons of really cool stuff here as well. I would assume, I don't know if these models, it says it's free. So model licensed under Creative Commons. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty cool. Chicken Jockey. Next site is going to be myminifactory.com. Again, mini is with 2 I's, and it's basically a site mostly dedicated to models for tabletop miniature games. You will find a few other things in here as well, but they have some really cool, like Space Marine type and D&D type figures, things like that. So really cool site as well. And then you have Colts 3D. Now when I go to collections here in Colts 3D, let's see, the best 3D printing models from Sonic. Okay, so all of these models are basically, I mean, it'll tell you the price there and if it's free, and you can download it. So there's a ton of stuff in here. That's actually really cool. The weird thing about this is only the bottom. I mean, the whole thing is spinning, but it's all spinning the same way, and because of the illusion, it makes it look like it's not. Really cool, actually. Yeah, I mean, it's tons of stuff, guys. So if you're having trouble finding models, you shouldn't be, because you can find pretty much anything in here. anything you want, which is pretty awesome. If not, if you can't find what you're looking for, then I recommend that you make that thing. And now that we've looked at some places to download models, let's look at one quick and easy place to make your own models. So this is tinkercad.com. All you have to do is sign up. It's free. It's run by Autodesk, the same people that make several other CAD programs, including Fusion 360, which is the one that I use most commonly, and you can do pretty much anything with. But let's go ahead, create a 3D design, and just kind of show you how this works real quick. So we can drag in any shape, and once we have that shape, we can make it solid or a hole. We can change its size, how round, how square it is, its length, its height. Okay, so let's make a wide platform like this. Okay, then I'm going to take this and I'm going to copy it. I'm going to line it back up here. Then I'm going to make it smaller. And I'm going to raise it up a little bit. And I'm going to turn it, instead of being a solid object, into a hole. And as you can see, it is kind of cutting that shape out of that object. So now if I shift and select both the objects, I can Boolean join them, which gives me another object, this guy with a hole in it. Okay, and I can keep adding and subtracting shapes in this way. Until I've built up the model that I want. Oh, that's for sketching on it. Yeah, so sketching, you can draw a line, right? And then once that's done, I've created that shape, right? And now I can put that in there too. I can turn it into a hole. Let's drag it over here and cut a middle out of this guy. Right, so it takes a chunk out of it. It's pretty cool. You can do a lot of stuff. I have a lot of videos on I made a bunch of Minecraft guys in here and things like that. So if you'd like to check out those videos, I'll put a link up above. But yeah, that's going to be it for this one, guys. Make sure you leave a like, hit that subscribe button. If you're having any trouble finding models to print, I think now you should have probably millions that you can find. And yeah, let's see what you print. Thanks for coming, guys. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.